QuicTile is the most beautiful, durable, and family-friendly floor available. The only problem for DIY folks like us, it takes a lot of skill and time to install. Until now. QuicTile by Daltile is a breakthrough in tile technology. This patented floating floor system lets you install a real porcelain tile floor in as little as 1 day. So you can see just how fast and easy it is to install QuicTile, we're doing a side-by-side comparison. On the left, a traditional tile install. On the right, we're installing QuicTile. QuicTile doesn't need mortar or thinset and instead requires an easy-to-use underlayment called QuicPrep. Unlike traditional tile, you can install it over your existing floor. Both teams are using the same quality porcelain tile, but the QuicTile team uses a patented floating floor system that is a whole lot easier. These guys have to mix and use a messy traditional thinset and tile spacers. On the right, they simply click each tile together, creating perfectly sized joints. The QuicTile only uses spacers around the perimeter. And now, yes, the QuicTile team is grouting with QuicTile Grout, while the traditional tile team is, still laying tile. The guys on the right are finished. Their QuicTile floor can be walked on within 24 hours and will cure completely within 72 hours. Not so for the other guys. When they finally finish with step 1, they'll need to let the thinset dry for 24 hours. Then they can start day 2. The traditional tile team is back, and they're finally ready to grout. Eventually, the second team finishes. And as you can see, both floors look great, but one team has managed to do a lot less work. That's because QuicTile is, well, pretty quick. There's no demo, no mortar, and no mess. You get a beautiful premium floor, real porcelain tile, with a fraction of the effort and a fraction of the time. You might even have time to install the plumbing and probably get a start on cleaning that garage. QuicTile by Daltile. It's tile reinvented.